Mag-aaral lang kami for the quiz sa Thursday.
Swipe left, swipe right, but you're the one I can't deny. Skip the playlist, skip the vibe. Now it's your name lighting up my night. Ain't trying to catch these feels, but love don't care for you. Hearts on red, brains on pause. Tell me, babe, who's really at a loss? Coffee's cold and medicine. Too busy wondering who you're with. Not the type to lose my cool, but you got me breaking my own rules, babe. For anyone else, you got the top shelf. No one comes close. You already know, babe. Not just the name I say, more like the reason I'm checking my phone.
Good morning, everyone. It's a Tuesday. Isa lang ako sa classroom. Wala kasi yung prof namin. Since mag-aaral ako, dito na lang ako mag-aaral sa malamig kaysa naman dyan sa labas, diba? Samahan niya ulit ako this week for another grinding season. Hello guys. So, nandito ako ngayon sa library. Hindi ko alam kung rinig niyo ako. Pero, ayun. Dito na lang muna ako mag-stay until 11. Tapos, may class kami ng 12. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog, we're at Tomorrow Cafe. Tomorrow Cafe. Post Fartox class.
So, I got matcha oat latte.
I got Tomorrow Latte. I got Pink Pop Lemonade.
So, ngayon, nandito kami malapit sa BSU kasi just gonna grind. Mag-aaral lang kami for the quiz sa Thursday. And then, ayun. Hi!
Hi guys! Gusto ko lang naman mag-aral guys. Pero dinadali tayo ng midnight inserter. Ako po ay too much coffee.
Ang plano ay mag-aaral. Ano to? Parang hindi super serious sa mga tao dito.
Wala lang guys, sabit lang ako dito.
Walaan nyo na lang kung anong pinag-uusapan namin. Dumawa din ng ano na to.
Upuan nila. So, nawawala nga daw yung ano niya, kunwari. Pero tinago ni Lee.
Di ba bit ko to? Wala naman nakasabit.
Color green? Oo, ikaw kanina.
Yan lang talagang dala ko.
Anong kulay? Anong
Green siya.
green na ano?
Nashin siya.
Pero wala na ako nakita, hindi ko na napansin kanina. Manawagan ko sa mga viewers.
Guys,
Ah.
iyak ako pero natatawa din ako guys. Mukhang nakita ko yung Shinjan guys. Like for serious, like pinabili ko pa yun sa Japan guys. Ang laki-laki naman. Gagamitin ko pa yun sa summit.
Guys, may nanganak pa kayo si
Dapat ito na po. Ito ko yun.
Ito ba yan?
Ito ba yung nahanap niya?
So, I made a new flower. It's fancy. It's cool. Wala naman.
Or tingin daw kayo. Narin nag-vlog. Hello vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Dito lagi.
English only.
English only.
I look so like by this. Whatever. To be forever. That's what friends are forever.
Guys, it's currently around magte-10 na. Tulog ako pagdating. Nakarating ako dito around 6. Or like, nag-gizmo lang ako. Tinapos ko lang yung flashcards ko. 6:30. Tapos kakagising ko lang ng 9:30. Late na gising. Wala na ako itutulog. Hindi ko alam. Kabahan ako sa quiz na to kasi kailangan ko magbawi. Hello everyone!
Hello, hello.
Mom, paano ko isasama yun? Nakakainis!
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. ASMR.
Uwian na. Tistas! Anak yung tamtas. Birthday, Yaya! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yan! Yay! Hello guys, so nandito na ako sa school and nagre-review sila. So I got myself matcha. Nagawa ko. They're so busy. Really busy. Say hi to my vlog. Hi, kakadating lang.
Hi vlog.
Alam niyo kung anong tanong niyo kay Majoy? Brine shrimp us.
Yeah.
Master.
Ilang hours? Para matest.
24.
How many naupli per vial?
How many salt?
38 grams.
Ilang percent ang solution?
3.8. Brine chip na tayo.
What is the food used by the nauplis?
Yeast suspension solution.
Bakit hindi siya valid for
Human.
Kasi invertebrates sila.
Oh, and we are?
Vertebrates. Brine chip lang tayo guys. Sana brine chip na lang.
It's lab day.
Who's this?
Say hi ate to my vlog. Hi. Hi guys. I'm a doctor for today.
Wow.
Another adventure.
Ganda ng cheese ball ko. Tingnan nyo na lang sa vlog.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Happy birthday. po kami mag-quiz. May namutla ako.
Galing po ni Mariel.
Hindi po, wala po akong naisagot masyado. Hi guys, say hi to my vlog. These are my group mates for this year. Hi kayo sa vlog ko guys. May vlog po ako.
When we call you group, please give us your loudest cheer.
Guys,
So, our first group, natin na ba ang Midnight Inserter?
5, 6, 7, 8. Hoo-ha! Hoo-ha! Hi, welcome to Mer's vlog. Today is Pharma Days, day 2.
Hi guys, so a few minutes before Murmurs, Gwenny, and Nian's performance.
Ang cute ko pala today.
So, oo nga, sobra. Ayan, so a few minutes before their performance. Anong kinararamdaman mo ngayon?
Grabe, first time ko ulit mag-perform. Kinakabahan ako guys.
Gusto ko sabayan niyo ako pag alam niyo to. You know? We know! Pharma Days 2026! Habang mayroong mapabalagi, ang pag-ibig lumalalim. Pangakot nagtatawid, kahit ano rin mabot sa pagmawid. Nako'y nangakot makakit. Ganda mo! Ikaw ay mag-ibig. Ilubet, 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 prolayo. Ilubet, 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 prolayo.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys.
Hi, vlog!
Soft girl ako ngayon. Tingnan mo, bow ko naman. Nakabow din si Mariel.
Soft girl ka ba sa lagay mo kanina, ma?
Yeah, gumiling lang ako pero soft girl ako today. Ay, alam mo yung, ano lang, pakit lang ako sa paligid. Kasi, kailangan na natin maghanap ng, Hoy! Mali!
Ano ba? Ano ba?
Hi guys!
Hanap nyo na guys,
First
single.
time, single ako guys. Very ready to mingle.
Yes!
Grabe yung very na,
Very, as in like, ano,
very
conviction. Very.
ready to mingle.
Lagay ko lang po yung details niya down below.
Lahat ako may pen.
First runner-up guys! Yes! Asan ang champion? Asan yung champion?
Staging girl. Janine! JP, picture! Mapkat! Kia, picture! Mika, picture!
Si ate sa vlog ko.
Say hi to Mariel's vlog.
Case press kami ngayon.
Wala akong nasagot.
We stay up but say nothing real, hiding more than what we feel. Close enough but not quite right. Friends don't text at 2 a.m. right? You say it's late then send a smile. I say goodnight but stare a while. Feels like we're stuck on a line. You're not yours and I'm not mine. We don't gotta fake this, don't you